Got code P0312. Don't replace expensive parts yet. In this video, I'll show you two proven fixes. Method A, the spark plug. Method B, the ignition coil. Stay until the end to find the real cause and save money. If you are encountering error code P0312, this tutorial will walk you through two effective methods to resolve it right from home. Just open the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and check for error code P0312. To be specific, this points to cylinder number 12 running into misfire issues. To tackle this issue, you can explore two straightforward do-it-yourself options. Method A, the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under their protective plug covers. First, carefully remove the spark plug from its housing. Grab your spark plug gapper to check the gap spacing. Typically, the proper measurement should fall between 0.024 and 0.071 inches. As you can see, the gap on this plug is a bit too narrow, so use the gapper tool to carefully widen it back into the normal range. However, if you spot any obvious physical damage, cracks, or heavy wear on the spark plug, skip the adjustment and simply replace it with a brand new one. Method B, the ignition coil. Ignition coils are typically mounted directly on the cylinder head, right above each spark plug. First, carefully remove the ignition coil from the engine, then check it closely to see if it is stained or damaged. If the ignition coil is simply covered in engine oil or grime, you can easily clean it up using a cleaner like WD-40. However, if the coil is physically damaged, go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0312 error code after the repair. You can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code and tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Engine Clinic. This concludes our Misfire series. Stay tuned to our channel for new series on this topic. Thanks for watching the full video. See you soon for the next repair guide.